Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are on our last Halloweek tutorial and today I'm going to turn myself into Jessica Jones. I absolutely love the Marvel TV show and I just love her sarcastic, snarky attitude and how tough she is. So I'm going to turn myself into her today. I'm just starting by lining my waterline with a black pencil liner and taking a smudge brush and just smudging that out on my lower waterline. And then after that, I'm going to just apply a few coats of mascara. I'm not going to coat them just because Jessica's always on the go. It's not like she wears a lot of makeup. She's too busy kicking people's asses to do anything special like curl your lashes. I'm just going to go into my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette real quick and go in the shade Chaser just to put that all over my lid to kind of just set any extra concealer I have so that way it doesn't crease. That's all I'm doing, nothing special. You could use any shade that you want. And then I'm going into this Ardell brow palette. I don't even think they make this anymore, that's how old it is, but I ran out of my Anastasia Brow Wiz and I haven't made it to Ulta yet. And I'm just filling in my brows and I'm filling in them in very heavily and very dark because Jessica Jones has really thick, dark eyebrows. I'm just going in with some Benefit Give Me Brow in the shade 03 just to make sure my brows stay in place. For lips, I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Natural, and I'm going to use this to line my lips. And then after I put it on, I thought it was a little too warm for what I wanted, so then I went in with the Bodyography lip liner in the shade Heatherberry, and I used that to line my lips and fill them in as well. And then after that, I finish it off by just taking a little bit of the KKW Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Kimmy, and I just pop that on my lips a little bit and blend it out with my finger because I didn't want it to be too pink. Now I'm going to go in with two shades. I'm going to take Ashes from the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to take the shade Contour from the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to use these two shades and just a patting motion to create bruises on my face. Jessica fights crime and a lot of bad guys, and she gets hit and bruised a little bit too often, so I'm just creating some bruises on my face using a purple shade and kind of a greenish brown shade. To finish off the bruises, I'm just going to go in with a powder brush and kind of just stamp it on just to kind of blend it into the skin a little bit more and so that way it doesn't look so harsh. And that is going to complete this Halloween tutorial. We did it. I'm so sorry I was late on some of these. Life has been a little bit crazy, but I wanted to do every single one. I didn't want to skip a day because I love these ideas so much. I will hopefully see you in another video before next Halloween. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow me below on all my social channels. And until next time, guys, stay golden.